Hey guys, Todd here with Great Escape Farms. Today I'm standing in front of a honeyberry bush or hascap, and you can see there's a lot of honeyberry underneath here. And so much so, this side over here, it's actually weighting the plant down and putting it into the path. So when you're looking down on it, you don't see much, but if I pull it up and you look underneath, I mean, there's just all kinds of honeyberry in here. So it's getting to the point that I can't eat much more fruit because I'm eating cherries from that bush and honeyberry. The blueberries are starting to ripen up now, and it's having an effect on my digestive system, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to take some of the excess here and bag it up and put it in the freezer so I can have it a little later on in the winter time, or actually later next year in the winter time. So let me go ahead and actually let me show you my bag here first. So it's just a gallon bag, and make sure you label everything with what it is and the date. So this is honeyberry 2021. Just knowing honeyberry, I'll know that it was in the late spring, early summer. So let me go ahead and bag some of these up and I'll show you what I end up with. Okay, so we're, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes into it. I have about a quarter of a bag here, and I'm maybe halfway done with one bush. I went to the larger one first, which is right here. This is called Blue Pagod, P-A-G-O-D, and you can see they are quite large. This one is called Polar Jewel, and just for comparison, these are considered medium to large size blueberries. I consider them medium because I've seen a good bit larger. It's Reka, R-E-K-A. So that, let me go straight up and down just so you can see the size, and probably shouldn't have them right on top of one another there, just so you can see. But these Blue Pagod here, they are huge. Now the Polar Jewels taste a little bit sweeter, and by the way, they are very, very similar to blueberry in taste and texture. Let me open this one up. Well, actually, you can see it has kind of the greenish color in the center there, and it stains your hands kind of like a blueberry, and it tastes similar, just maybe a little sweeter. Okay, so I'm done for the evening. It's starting to get dark, and there's still more berries on there, but they're small, and I'm not getting quite as many as I did before. And there's still some that aren't ripe yet, so I'm going to go ahead and let those finish ripening up. And I'm going to go ahead and freeze these. So I was picking off any bugs if I found them, or any stems, any old flowers or anything, and I put them in without anything on it. So just the berries themselves, maybe a couple of little flowers got in. That's the same way I eat it off of the bush itself. So I'm going to freeze it exactly like this, no washing or anything, because if I wash it, then they're all going to stick together. By freezing it right now with them dry without being washed, they will not stick together, so I can actually reach in after they're frozen and pull out just a couple berries, a handful, and leave the rest in the freezer. So that is what I am looking for, and this is my 2021 Honeyberry Harvest that's going in the freezer. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, following us on our Odyssey channel, and check out greatescapefarms.com. Thank you very much, and have a great day.